Bob Andy, lifestyle, dancehall career, and net worth. Bob Andy, born Keith Anderson on October 28, 1944, in Kingston, Jamaica, was a foundational figure in the development of reggae and Jamaican music. His lifestyle was shaped by his deep love for music, spirituality, and cultural activism, often reflecting his intellectual depth and commitment to uplifting others through his art. Before we continue, kindly subscribe to the channel to reach 1,000 subscribers this week. Lifestyle. Bob Andy led a life that was deeply intertwined with the culture and people of Jamaica. He was known for his humble and introspective nature, often reflecting on social and political issues in his music. Andy maintained a private and relatively modest lifestyle, especially when compared to many of his contemporaries in the reggae scene. Despite his success, he kept a low profile, avoiding the glitzy aspects of fame. His artistic integrity and commitment to addressing issues of social justice through his music made him a respected figure both locally and internationally. Bob Andy's lifestyle also reflected his strong connection to his roots and his love for the Jamaican countryside, often finding solace in nature, away from the fast pace of the city. Dancehall career. Although Bob Andy is primarily known as a reggae artist, his influence on the dancehall genre is undeniable. He began his music career in the early 1960s as a member of the legendary vocal group, the Paragons, but it was as a solo artist that he made his greatest impact. His timeless hits such as I've Got to Go Back Home and Too Experienced set a standard for reggae music in the 1970s and beyond. Andy's music often addressed themes of love, social justice, and identity, resonating with people both in Jamaica and globally. His songwriting prowess made him one of the most sought-after composers in Jamaica. Songs like Fire Burning and Feel Like Jumping became iconic in the dancehall and reggae worlds, with later generations of dancehall artists sampling or covering his tracks. His influence on younger artists like Chronix and Prodoge, who blend reggae and dancehall, speaks to Andy's lasting legacy. Despite never fully transitioning into the hardcore dancehall scene of the 1980s and 1990s, Bob Andy's work continued to serve as a bridge between the foundational roots reggae sound and the faster, more beat-driven dancehall style that followed. His music remains influential in dancehall, reggae, and beyond, particularly in how it incorporates soul and R&B elements into traditional Jamaican rhythms. Net worth. At the time of his passing in 2020, Bob Andy's net worth was estimated to be around $1 million. While he did not amass the kind of wealth associated with some contemporary musicians, Andy's fortune lay in his songwriting and the licensing of his music. His catalog remains valuable, with numerous covers of his songs by both reggae and mainstream artists. In addition to his music career, Andy also had a modest income from acting, most notably in the Jamaican film The Harder They Come. In sum, Bob Andy's life was one of cultural significance rather than excessive material wealth. His contributions to music, particularly reggae and dancehall, remain invaluable, making him a legend in Jamaica and across the global music landscape. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more Jamaican news.